me see if I can get y'all out of the sun. Good morning, fishing folks. Thought we'd try something a little different today. We're back at the river. I'm about a mile north of where I was last time. I think it's about a mile to where we're going. Smile just dropped us off. Brought 2 rods today. I brought a spinning rod and a bait caster. This is stuff that we got from Goodwill, except for that Ned head there. But that's a Z-Man TRD and a Venom Lures Rush Bug, I believe it's called. But let's get down to the water, get it wet, see if we can't keep it bent. I came out here to chew bubble gum and to catch fish today, and I'm all out of bubble gum. Let's get it done.
Shut up and sit down.
All right, y'all. I'm gonna get down here up under this bridge and I'm gonna cast across to that other bridge piling. Try not to bust my butt. I wore the Crocs today, and well, if you've ever worn Crocs when they're wet, they're not the greatest in walking on hills. I do have them in 4-wheel drive, but that doesn't always mean anything. I wanted to get out here early today instead of this evening. For one, I've got a lot of stuff to do, and I figure the bite might be better after the water's cooled off overnight. Let's start off with the jig. This is just a little 1/4 ounce jig. It's got a Venom Lure soft plastic on the back. I don't know enough. I can't remember the name of the soft plastic. I've got it in my bag, but I'm not taking this thing off to dig in there and find out right now. If y'all ask me in the comments, then I'll look it up and let you know in the comments. But, oh, we're snagged up already. Well, I didn't plan on going into the water this early, but I don't want to lose my jig either. Daggone it. It's gonna be cold. Oh, it's cold. Yeah, it's cold, it's cold, it's cold. And it's deep, it's deep, it's deep. Oh my gosh. Y'all, we might have to swim. Alright, y'all. We tied on a little white beetle spin. I know there's got to be fish over in these holes, and I want them out. I want them on my hook. Oh, that looks good. That ought to get something out of there. I didn't want to give up on the Ned rig quite so fast, but I want to catch some fish. Oh, I got a hit. So we can do that again and actually catch it this time. There we go. Oh, no, we're hooked up. Woo-hoo-hoo. Got the smallest smallie that you can get. Check it out, y'all. Come here, little buddy. I ain't even gonna complain because we caught a fish. Hey, you go tell your grandma and your grandpa and your mom and dad and your big brother. Tell them how good that tastes. Thank you, buddy. Thank you, Lord. Got the skunk off the boat. All right, y'all, let's move on over the river. As we go up through here, I'll hit all the deep spots and above and below the rapids with this beetle spin. We may end up tying another bait on, but I'd like to catch a couple more on this one. There we go. Hooked up, baby. That's a nice one. Yes, sir. Yeah. Oh, lost him. Well, we'll call that a catch. Y'all saw it. He's self-released. He's still sitting right there. Let's see if we can get him again. He just took off. All right, let's move upstream a little bit. See if we can't do that a few more times. I'd like to pull something off the back of this log back here. Back in them weeds, or back in that overhang brush. I don't want to pull off the back of the log, I just wanted to pull a fish off the back of it. I guess we're going into it. There we go, hooked up, y'all. It's a dink, but it's a fish. Oh, that's a little largy. Come here, little man. Get that out of there. I've never caught a largy in a river. You pretty too. Got some good genes. Listen, if your mammy and pappy's over there, have them come over and visit me. Thank you, buddy. Oh, he's a pretty little fish. Thank you. I can't believe that little largy hit on that. I mean, I can't believe that I caught a largy in the river to begin with, but let's see if we can get back in there a little bit without getting snagged up. Nobody home. Y'all, I don't know if you can see that. I feel like there's some stuff about to happen. I'm waiting for Pennywise to jump out of these woods or come out of the water, or maybe there's a drain pipe down here I don't see, but I'm not gonna lie, that's a little sketchy. Unless we see Pennywise, we're just gonna keep on fishing. Put it up there so it don't float away. Some kid will come down and play with it. Oh, we got one. There we go. Oh, he let go. Another little largy. We ought to be able to pull something out of here. It's up here by these rocks. It's fairly deep. Oh yeah. There we go. Hooked up, baby. Yes. Come on. Oh, got another one chasing it, a big one. Nice smallie. There we go. Nice little smallie. Oh, that's a pretty fish. Thank you, buddy. Now let's go get your friend. Y'all see that? That looks like a boat, or it used to be a boat. Used to was. That was a bad day right there. I'll show y'all why here in a minute. Oh yeah, there's part of the railing of it. We're on a huge sandbar. That's probably about 4 or 5 feet tall, maybe 6, 7. There's another piece of the boat. I know that you all can't tell the difference on camera, but that's about 7.5 feet down to the water. This all gets on underwater. If you look out there at the clay bank, the bank probably goes up another 20 feet. And every now and again it gets up over that bank. Normally it's like this. Normally it's just a shallow stream down through here. I know as a kid I come down here all the time. And my grandpa would sit up river and fish, and I'd just sit there behind him. My mom would come down here. It's pretty crazy. We've walked about a mile so far today, upriver. Been saving one GoPro battery for you all to show you at the end of the trip. Check this out, y'all. Slippery. This guy's out here cast netting. Got him a sucker and a shiner over here. Over here at this little waterfall.
Time to get my shit stuck. No, got me 2 fish.
He's doing better than I am.
You have a good day, man.
Well, y'all, I think I found a path up out of here. I don't know if I can get back down to the other side, but I wasn't crawling up that low-head dam. This is what I've been wanting to show y'all all day. We started out about a mile downstream from this and walked up here. I know you probably can't hear me very well because all the water coming over, but I'll talk as loud as I can. I'm not a very loud person, so I'm going to throw in here a couple times, but y'all see how tall that is. When we were kids, we used to come down here and climb up to the top and slide over. I wouldn't recommend it. We did it until the police came, ran us off. It's very dangerous, but that's some of the stupid stuff we did when we were kids. But we did all this before they had water parks and all that. This was our water park. You know, I spent hours and hours down here at this thing, just sliding over the edge. I'm gonna try to catch a couple fish out of here, and we'll see y'all back at the car. Let's see if we can see what's down in this thing. I saw some monster fish going by, but I don't know if you'll be able to see it on the GoPro. Hang on. This is a huge slab of concrete that I'm standing on. It's only about ankle deep, and it ends right here, about 6 feet away from that concrete waterfall. During the springtime, this river will come off the top of that and just go straight. It doesn't dip down when the water's real high. So it's pretty dangerous being up at the top of it. I wouldn't recommend you guys do that anywhere. And if you do, don't sue me. I'm not responsible. All right, y'all, that's it for today. It was a dinktastic day. I caught a couple decent smallmouths, but everything else was tiny. I'm gonna go home, and it's right around beer 30. I'm gonna sit in the air conditioning for a little bit, cool off. It's so hot out here today. I didn't realize how hot till I came up out of the water, but I'm pretty sure I saw the devil down there dipping his toes in the water sweating. Remember to subscribe. If you enjoyed it, like this video. Keep it bent, y'all. Later.